Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on removing white background on a fish, and I kind of thought it was too good to be true that all the whites were grouped together. But this would still help you if you did not use find and replace, because there's a lot of little white specks that you would have to really click on with the magnifying glass, zoom in to get that white speck. Where if you use Object Manager, like I did in the previous video, and you get the Object Manager, you just go to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager, and there is a no-fill curve. It's a curve. These are fills. And then here you have white. So if you click on it, there's a white one. So you cannot do what I did before with Shift, but you could have held down the Control button and select all the ones that were white. And this would be a lot easier to select than those little bitty white ones. Let's see if it's even going to let me, even let me cursor down until you get all the white ones. I kind of thought the other one was too good to be true, that they were all grouped together. And you can see it's a lot of little white specks and little white parts, but this would be easier if you did not have find and replace, because this would be a perfect example for find and replace. And I'm going to stop right there and hit delete, and then just go through and just delete all the ones I find from here on out. You don't have to have the Control button down. And just a few more, and I think we'll have all the white ones gone. There's one more right there, and one more right there, and one more right there. And now you should have 100% black drawing that's transparent. All the little white specks are gone. Well, there's a couple right there. Let's see where they're at. There's one, I missed it, delete. And see, it's not even anywhere near the other one. But once, yeah, here's a lot more. And we should be getting close. There's got to be one more. Still one more. This isn't as easy as you would think, but it's easier than trying to hit those little white dots on the board. Now this is a priming. There was a lot more white than I thought was there. And I'm going to quit doing this to taking your time. But we got them. So now there's no white background. Now I'm going to back up through all these deletes and put all of my white backgrounds back. And I'm going to show you how easy. And I do not know when find and replace or find object started, but somebody said X5 didn't have it, and I don't. My computer has X3 isn't working right now. So let's just find objects, begin new search, fills, uniform, next, specify color, hit this and you'll get the eyedropper tool, and then click on that white, next, finish, find all, X out of there, and then hit the delete. All the white ones are gone. It was that quick. But if you do not have that feature, I need to do some research on that when that started. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.